But who do find out when you $1 million?
Yes, when you $1 million.
Now $1 million class will be better.
You see, irrespective of where Dreams FC will get to, Uriyo betimi aton players be Sevilla. Okay,
and of course,
1.5 million.
More young players are
very players.
When you be $2 million.
Very good
because almost swap.
Player na top goes
Abdulaziz Confederation
on the top.
Abdulaziz.
Yes, one say you be a Gawa GB pay.
Anna
Bequin so
Swajibi.
Bequin Ajibi na
Gawu Bequin.
And say Abdulaziz bit match.
And the interest na Abdulaziz on your striker.
Sir.
Oye winger.
And
oye sa match.
Be of football now Bufri ne dey.
Ke no kwasam ne say yes Kotoko ne Hasufuk ya fe Africa. Why?
Nationwide.
That's a bofo no rakra.
Enu ye be promise catire o say bofo ne draw ne dey.
That's no omama be very ba. No mama na tip.
Say has board draw no be bi sakin he benki ne be.
Asanko.
Is Asanko. Manambra.
Shebofu kof 30 points. Nanka 5 points. Only team are only.
Supporters no starting GDA say o metinya yi bibi na. Oti wona.
Enu so die kwaku.
Bofo so sa draw or dey no mo yen sa. I'm so drunk kwa. Match so go na draw.
But unim say team no so or we no be share Kotoko ne hasa. E yen World Cup.
But after say hasa taking lead.
Yeah. And go ni bantem and omunyinya chances. Some people were like how to folk ebe so dey go almost so but Fabakin the me person make can say kitwe bi kwame minim so ni me be ya adwea. How to folk team no supporters ya dey bia menin you. Boa Salifu-Ibrahim Eboma had to folk no. Watra former Richmond Lamte Jima Kotoko no ye different BlackStars. Kotoko for supporters ni nyina kaumanu esi so say call him no me who sa for Salifu-Ibrahim now say has bebo bobia man of the match Salifu man of the akurana boa all bono. It looks like the entire House of Folk team are not projecting him. The supporters are quiet. They say what trasa Richmond Lamte. I don't know. I don't get it because Akurano he's been consistent too.
Man of the match.
Or starting say all picking from your Fabio Gama era. And the injuries ni nyeme bebre. Ebe system ni feel say on team sounds so my back view. Waba sounds so boy at the highest level for Heart of Folk. He's been winning the man of the match. Most every time we be a Heart of Folk on a same so 5 on your debut. Senya obi GTMC ni now so big club like Heart of Folk ne Kotoko. I bought to say the Richmond Lamte boy ya. Yen na ye ka say for Richmond Lamte or BlackStars no. Why is it that Heart of Folk team no any supporters are quiet about branch from the Salifu no projects and why? I want to ask this question. What is going on? And now bueno move from the Blacks okay be no contract in some no so because I don't get it.
But what is the difference ka crazy woman baby free band me no me fall so say was by this time we did no me project boy by difference ka crazy woman say time na obi e ka Richmond Lamte dey no na BlackStars lucky ade bi wo mu team ni that's creativity ni obi team progress ball so na ye tutu ye ni a obi otimi yes ade no was Richmond Lamte at that time enti no so be ka ho and the project Richmond Lamte say Richmond Lamte dey na enye Kotoko fon kwa ni be bra no me ye
na ordinary teacher for bonus
na omunyembra na kwame sa creativity no your last game you boy and you cry for creativity still now no
you
have not found
me no you are doing 100%
and as I say me pass oh see you local player the creative ruler between Richmond Lamte and Salifu wine or befano I Salifu
kwaku dia me o kan me no you are doing by that time no na unse obeka ya Kotoko na Kotoko apija no mu saa time no mu wini matches bi to aso ana na saa time BlackStars call up no so beba na e lake saa de nti ebehia ye
I understand but so at this stage Hearts of Folks playmaker is scoring goals, getting man of the match awards, dominating games. Diaka Hearts of Folk as a football club and its supporters to project him.
And so no money.
Okay, that's anyway, just because some people I don't get it.
The manager but because one player come to Nicolo and they were pick every single day man of the match. So me sure send a contract one sense no so no. I'm a supporters no
some project na obekwa na say na Richmond Lamte na onam kwan so we am the 10,000 Ghana cedis salary dia man no 10,000 there abayere
so nya offer dia 10,000 this on
so 20 na mo se mo be man 10
and here Maria there no
they be Lamte
Richmond Lamte
also be 20 na mo se
and there ba kwa me mente nipa ne bia so ne se obi adwuma ewo babia ne babia obi a starting adwuma ne free any level or dinam or the war it is all for obi na oye adwuma na ne level no ada attending room pempenso bi na there so do stage bi no self attached kana mo fama no almost Ghana sana yikruma city
no correct
what you say o yi sika ne dia ma no but obetumi akofo obi no dia ma no
yeah I
akofo obi no the 20,000 naira dia ma no we na what because of say you didn't free 3,000 4,000 I didn't buy man 20,000 and of course obekọ ba akoje
it's true
senti Richmond Lamte CCA wo kruma ne bo aye bo idie say Asante Kodo was a football club omo coach is around saying more than 20,000
yeah
almost star man
yeah
I was range na I don't think
in any case if Richmond Lamte leaves Kotoko today na on be catch race when you play bi or for instance maybe a start Bamako bi now the ball need to say Richmond Lamte they will be okay to pay $3,000 $4,000 yeah times 2 of the Richmond edge you know obia nkasau but the inside na all bono or stress ask na make say oh yeah wine yeah na platform Ghana for they say a platform you come on in a platform
do I
yeah na platform
yeah for sure
On the Turf Sports.